Oakland Schools' 4 career technical campuses prepare 11th and 12th grade students for high-wage, high-skill, and high-demand careers directly out of high school. Our campuses, commonly referred to as OSTCs, are located in each quadrant of Oakland County. OSTC Northeast in Pontiac, Northwest in Clarkston, Southwest in Wixom, and Southeast in Royal Oak. Each of our 17 programs combine academic knowledge with real-world, hands-on technical training from industry experts. Our main goal is to connect students with their passion and to prepare them to enter the industry of their choice. Programs include agri-science and environmental technologies, automotive technology, collision repair and refinishing, computer programming, construction technology, cosmetology, criminal justice, culinary arts and hospitality, cybersecurity networking, energy electrical technology, engineering, robotics and mechatronics, entrepreneurship and advanced marketing, graphic and communication design, health sciences, machining, medium, heavy truck and equipment, and welding. Each program offers its own unique experience. For example, our Health Sciences program offers certifications and work-based learning in hospitals for students who want to be future doctors, nurses, pharmacists, or medical assistants. The cutting-edge engineering, robotics, and mechatronics program trains future engineers in our state-of-the-art labs. Students can also participate in the Oakland Technical Early College program. This program is perfect for students looking to earn a free associate's degree through Oakland Community College. Tuition, textbooks, and fees are all covered. This is a great starting point for any student who desires to attend a 4-year university. Programs include automotive technology, collision repair and refinishing, computer programming, cybersecurity networking, engineering, robotics and mechatronics, entrepreneurship and advanced marketing, graphic and communication design, machining and welding, directly connected to our Oakland Technical Early College program. Oakland Schools Technical Campuses. Explore, experience, and excel. Learn more by visiting our website at ostconline.com.